Hey, what's up guys, Alien Rides here, and today we're checking out the Dualtron Eagle Pro. This is the latest Dualtron offering from Minimotors, and it's a pretty awesome power scooter. So we're actually borrowing it from the day from Last Mile in San Francisco, and if you're interested, you can visit them in person or check out a link in the video description below. So let's check out some ride footage and I'll give you some impressions of the scooter. Subscribe and let's ride. Alright, so we're riding the scooter around San Francisco, and I've got some FPV footage for you all. Without even riding the scooter, I've been recommending it to quite a few people. The main reason is that I think it's a good size, a nice Dualtron 2 replacement, and a more beefy upgrade over the Spider. I love the size and the low weight of the Spider, but the Eagle Pro has some improvements over it. Primarily the controllers. Many people had issues with Spider controllers breaking on them, and the beefier controllers in the Eagle Pro should fare much better. Some other differences in the controllers would be more responsive, regenerative brakes. The electronic brake performance has been improved, and you'll notice faster feedback from braking. This is not something that I would normally have noticed, but thanks to my buddy Dave Deluria for pointing this out in his review. You can find a link to his review in the description below, and he always does a great job reviewing scooters. I think that this is a pretty good sized scooter, and while it's comfortable to ride for long periods of time, it's still small enough to commute on or use as a last mile solution. So now let's get into some of the performance and the specifications. Here's some footage of my downhill run with this scooter where I hit my top speed. Mostly probably thanks to gravity. .45, not bad. Down this hill. 46. 46 miles an hour down that hill, not bad at all. Good job, scooter. As you can see, the Eagle is pretty fast, rocking dual motors, running at 3,600 watts of peak power. Max speed for me on flat ground was just over 40 miles per hour, and my max downhill speed was about 46 miles per hour or 74 kilometers per hour. This scooter packs plenty of speed for commuting or having fun on group rides. It was able to hold its own and climb up steep hills fairly fast, but not quite as fast as, say, the Dualtron Thunder. Here's some footage of me and a friend with the Dualtron Thunder climbing up Twin Peaks. I'm gunning it fully, but as you can see, the Dualtron Thunder accelerates way faster. Nice, guys. Sick. The 60-volt system with a 22.4 amp-hour battery gives you a stated max range of 50 miles, with a real-world range likely being about half of that. The 10-inch tires use tubes, and they have a split rim for easy extraction. There were a lot of complaints about changing the tire on the Dualtron Spider, so this should make life a lot easier. A lot of people buying the scooter might compare it to the low-maintenance Dualtron Compact, which has solid tires. But personally, I think that pneumatic tires with the split rim design is a nice compromise, and that air-filled tires always ride nicer. The entire package weighs 66 pounds or 30 kilograms. Not as light as the Spider, but lighter than the Speedway 5, Dualtron 3, and Dualtron Thunder. Now let's talk about a few things that could be a little bit better about the scooter. Alright, now for some downsides. There's not many, but there's a few. So for one, it's still got this play in the handlebars, typical of pretty much any Dualtron scooter. Ideally, I'd like them to fix that someday to make it super solid, because it's really hard to tell if it's just play or if there's something more serious going on. Besides that, the only other thing really is there's no rear footrest. So you have to kind of buy your own handlebar there. And without it, my foot tends to creep backwards a little bit and end up on the mudguard, which is not ideal because you could break your mudguard. So those are really only my main two gripes. If they were fixed, that'd be amazing, but otherwise, it's still a really awesome scooter. All right, let's do a little race here. All right, guys, we are gonna race the Dualtron Eagle Pro against the Raptor 2. This one's probably gonna win, but we're just gonna check here. Race along the top of Twin Peaks. All right, you ready? Yeah. So 3, 2, 1, go, then go.
Count.
I'll count.
Someone else will count.
Oh, someone else should count?
Yeah.
Who's gonna count for a 3, 2, 1 race?
3, 1, race.
Oh, you're pulling at me. Oh, but I'm catching up.
You pull faster, but
Oh, I've got you on the top end. Woo! People here. Not bad, not bad. You actually pulled me in the start.
Yeah.
You got smaller wheels, so you got more torque probably. So as you can see, it was a pretty interesting race against the Dualtron Raptor. The smaller tires of the Raptor give it some mechanical advantage and allow it to take the lead in the beginning. But the Eagle Pro quickly catches up with a higher top speed as well. Special thanks to my friend Omar for racing his Raptor against me at the top of Twin Peaks here. Also a shout out to Basegate for throwing some awesome weekly group rides. And another shout out to the East Coast Scooter Group on the East Coast of the USA for welcoming to the Telegram group. Definitely check them out if you're on the East Coast of the USA and want a few friends to ride with. I hope to meet more PEV enthusiast groups around the world, and hopefully we can ride someday. So guys, that's all we got for this episode on the Dualtron Eagle Pro. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Peace out.